Responsive chart Figma. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Figma on your device to begin. On the top left of the screen, click the plus button to start a new project. Once the new file is open, choose the Make button to access the AI build function. On the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see a prompt input box where you can type your instruction. This time, we are creating a responsive chart for monthly expenses, so type that description into the prompt box. Press Enter, and Figma will begin generating the necessary codes and layout based on your input. After the process is complete, you can view your responsive chart directly on the screen. To see how it looks in preview mode, click the play button located at the top right corner of the screen. If you want to enhance your project further, you can also add extra functionality, such as including a page where users can input their data. Once all changes are made and you're satisfied with the result, your responsive chart for monthly expenses is complete.